Hi, and welcome to this module on using freebies. Now, obviously, if you are a very generous person and you want to give away your time, that's all up to you. But we will look at freebies in the context of developing your business. Now, one of the ways to look at it, and I like this way a lot, is it's not necessarily a freebie. What you do is you provide something to get something in exchange. It is the basis of cross-marketing techniques. It has been used widely, and one of the most common example would be a Disney movie and having figurine at McDonald's. Both of them cater to a similar market of the population, having the kids getting Happy Meals and getting the toys into their Happy Meal will reinforce the movie, and the movie get people going to McDonald's because they want to see those figurines. So both of them are reinforcing their channels by doing cross promotion. So by doing freebies, this is the objective that you should have. So essentially, what you give away is your expertise, your time. You can give other things. And the exchange would be to get visibility into an established network of potential clients. All right, so that's very important when you choose to do freebies. Now, don't, like I said before, for growing your business, make sure that the profile of people that you will be seen by are potential clients. For example, I saw a very good cross promotion at a football camp where you had tents around the football field where this company was giving away toys. Now, obviously, parents were there, kids were there, the kids had the toys, parents were made aware of the toys. So that was a good way of promoting their business. It would not necessarily be a good way to promote your business if you are into life insurance. Maybe it is, maybe it wouldn't, but you have to see a fit. It has to make sense for you and for your business. A better network for promoting life insurance, for example, would be your Chamber of Commerce, merchants associations, things like that. So I would definitely target those more than I would target a sporting activity to get myself known. So that's the idea behind the freebie. So you exchange your expertise, you exchange your knowledge, your know-how, and the counterpoint, let's say, is visibility for you and having potential clients. It also gives you something that can be very good. If you're doing this for a very noteworthy association or a group, then it can attach some value to your name, to your company. So that can be one way of differentiating yourself also. So that can be another avenue to look at freebies. So there's a lot of people saying that you should never give away your product or your services. I disagree. I think that you can give sometimes those product or services at a discount or for nothing, but you have to have a good plan for that and choosing your channel very carefully. All right, hopefully that helps you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thank you.